Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Check out this new model I just designed. It's not just any cone. This cone, if you grab 8 of these, you can stick them together and make this super disc. Not only that, you can open this up, stick your finger in, take this apart, stick your finger in. You can put it on all of your fingers, and this is what happens. You can get some claws. Want to build it? Ready, set, let's go. For this model, you need 1 6-inch square of origami. Start off by just folding in half this way. You want to crease well, and then you just want to fold this down to here. Fold this up to here, and now you just have this angle here. Keep this, make it creased. Sorry, and then you're just going to fold this over on this edge, right here, and then you're going to turn it over and fold it here this way, and it's aligned with this. Now you're just going to take this and you're going to fold it, open this back up and fold this down, fold this way, open it back up, take this and push it out like here, and you're going to take this and you're going to open this hole right here, pocket, and you're just going to stick this right in there, like this. Crease it well, like this. And now you're going to make how you're going to put it together. Take 2, and you're going to open this pocket right here, and you're just going to slide it in so it goes in like this. And then take another one and stick it in that pocket. And you're just going to push it down, keep it going. Keep it going. Push them all in. And if it gets short right here, if it looks like, nah, I don't need this one, you're just going to you need it, because you're going to open this pocket up, you're going to stick this in, and you're going to have to hold this down and push that in right there. And if you're going to be throwing it, you could just grab some tape and just tape it right here, all around here to keep it together, to throw it like a star. And now I'm going to show you how to do the claws. For the claws, you're going to have 5, so you can put it on your hand, or you could grab 5 more to do both hands. And this is one way you can do it. You can just open the pocket up like you did for sticking the other ones in, and you're just going to take your finger and stick it in, just like that. Another way you can do it is you can open this pocket in the side here and stick your finger in, or you can do it on the other side. But I would mainly like to put it inside the pocket. That's what I like to do. And you can just put them in for each finger, like this. Put this one in right here. Stick them in. You can move like this, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications to never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.